Today I want to do a review of this super cute modern farmhouse little shelf that we have. We are using it in our family room to put our wood stuff for our fireplace. As you can tell, we've got some wood here, but I love the color of it. It's considered gray when you look at the description. To me, it's actually a gray brownish color. It comes in two colors, this color and also in white. It comes in 3 different sizes, and this size, it's a 12 by 12 inches deep, and then 23.5 inches this way, and then 34 inches tall. But there are 2 other sizes that you could get as well. On the inside, if you look, the shelves open. And one thing I love is that the doors have these magnets on here. So when you shut them, they clip shut so they don't keep flopping open all the time. They will stay shut good. The other thing that I love is these shelves are very sturdy. This is actually a fire log, so it's fairly heavy. As you can tell up here, we have some beads on top of it in a jar, and it's probably 15 pounds. So overall, it's very sturdy. The other thing is these 2 shelves, they have 5 different notches on the inside. So if you want more space in between, all you have to do is move them up or down. Like I said, this we have in here for our fireplace, but it's super cute. I would love to have one in my bathroom. It would be great in a laundry room, a kid's room, use it in the kitchen, just about any room you could use it in. It's just super cute. To put together, it probably took me 20-25 minutes maybe. Super easy to do. I just laid everything out and put it together. So if I can do it, anybody can do it. But yeah, I would highly recommend it. For the price, I feel like it was a very good value.